Alright, so I've been trying to think about what I was going to do. I'm really super sore from skating yesterday, so I don't feel like doing too much, but I had an idea because I've been talking a lot about it lately. But I have a 14mm 2.8 from Rokinon. This big old piece of glass right here compared to the 8mm, there's quite a difference. You can tell the size of the lens. But the bigger problem is, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a bunch of scratches all right here. But either way, I'm gonna try to fix it today. I got some diamond paste on Amazon. It's 0.5 micron diamond paste. It's supposed to be it's the finest you can get. I'm gonna use that to try to take off some of the, I guess, scratches on the lens. I don't even know what it is. I've heard that it's like anti-glare coating that's starting to separate. So hopefully with my Dremel and a buffing wheel, I'll be able to get it all cleaned up, but we'll see. This lens is actually great for astrophotography. That's the whole reason I got it. It's got a maximum aperture of 2.8. Minimum aperture? Maximum? Minimum aperture is f22. Whatever. However it goes, vice versa. See how that first pass with the wheel did. And I don't know, I can't tell if it did anything. Okay, since that didn't work, I get to try again. I don't have the right wheels. I don't know if you can see that, but as soon as I start pressing down with some pressure, it basically stopped spinning, so I think I'm going to have to go get a Dremel toolkit because this is not working. This is not the right tools. So, no, I don't have the right tools. I guess I'm going to have to go get a Dremel set. Sequoia, stop looking at me like that. Wish you guys could see. I guess you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm going to have to go get a Dremel kit. I don't know if I should go to like Ace Hardware. Sorry, I'm just staring at the screen. Oh, there we go. More delivery and pickup options. Where else might have it? You know what? I don't even know why I didn't think of it. Home Depot. The Home Depot. Hopefully, the Home Depot. No, that's not it. Home Depot. Bam. Dremel accessories, if that's spelled right, and chicken pecked. $34. How much was it at Walmart? It was 22 bucks. 150 piece Dremel kit for $22 versus the Home Depot 130 piece kit for $34. 108 piece kit. Let's see what this kit has. If it has a couple buffing wheels, not that, not that, not that, not, yes, that. Polishing. Okay, so it does have polishing wheels, so that's something we want to get. Is it in stock? 5 in stock at Riverside. So, 5 in stock at Riverside. They better fucking have it. I'm just going to do in-store pickup if I can. That way I can just take you with me and I don't have to worry about going inside of Home Depot. Okay. Well, that's that. Okay, so I ordered Dremel parts kit. So hopefully pretty soon I'll get a notification from Home Depot saying that it's ready, and then I'll be able to go pick it up. Maybe I'll take you guys. Actually, I'm going to take the camera with me anyway, so yeah, but in the meantime, I'm gonna start working on something else, another project that I have going on. It's you'll see. Oh, made it to the Home Depot. I don't know. I don't feel like being in there too long. It's already seeming pretty crazy. I don't know where the online order side is. Oh. I'm parking far from the store right now, like I always do, and that is just because I'm parking like right in front of where the door is. So it's nothing to do with I don't mind a long walk into a store. I don't mind walking from far. I like to walk as straight as possible. So I try to park to where I can just walk straight out of the exit down the aisle and my car is there. Hopefully it works. I don't know. But I'm here now. I'm here at Home Depot. I just got to run in real quick and pick up my Dremel thing, so I'll see you in a second. All right, so I just got my online order. I had to go inside and pick it up. Bam, from the Home Depot. But it makes a bunch of cardboard bag noise. Cardboard bag, paper bag. But I got my Dremel brand $90 value for 108 accessories. It's the whole reason we came, but actually I have another project that this cutoff wheel is going to be perfect for, that these little bits here are going to be perfect for, and plus I saw some stuff inside there at Home Depot that I'm going to get to make some other projects, depending if the one I have turns out pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to work on it today. I might start working on it today, but depending on how that project turns out, I might have to come grab some more of these, but I'll show you. Home Depot right now has some really, really weird stuff. So Stephanie wanted me to go in and check out the Halloween stuff. So I go in looking for Halloween stuff, and then there's just all kinds of Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff everywhere already. And I know in our house we're super early on getting ready for the holidays, but come on now. It's still September. They're selling Christmas stuff in September. I guess you could sell Christmas stuff all year. I'm just being salty, but now I'm gonna go drive home and try to finish this video. Puppy, I missed all of that. I missed you being cute. I missed all of it. Come here. I scared you. Okay. So when I left off, because I've been working on something in between, but I needed this Dremel kit, these Dremel pieces. This is what I needed to be able to finish buffing out this lens. So I'm gonna get back to trying to get that going. So that's pass number 2. I gotta wipe it off and see how it looks. Can't tell if you can really tell so much right here, but most of it looks pretty good. It looks like most of it's gone. I'm gonna do another pass here. I can see some of the edges here where I still need to get it, but it's clearing out the center real nice, so I just gotta keep going. Alright, so I think that's it. I think that was my last pass. I know I thought my last one would be the last pass, but there were some parts of the corners that I wanted to get a little bit better because they still didn't look great, but overall it looks like a bazillion times better than it did. What would be cool about having this lens fixed is that I'll have 2 fisheyes also. Pretty good. A little bit left here in the corners. But it's not in the center of the image like this whole part before was all messed up. I still got this nick here. I don't think that was going to polish out, but... Ooh, look at that glass now. Look at that glass. Ooh. Nice old piece of glass now. All right. Well, this is how it looks now. So it looks pretty good. To me it does, at least anyways. I don't know how it looks in here. Let me see. Let me turn this all the way up to 2.8. Dang. Look at that big ol' honking thing there. Look at some Inception. How many Curtises can you see? How many Curtises do you even want to see? So now I'm gonna take it outside real quick and do a little, take it for a test drive, you know? Sagan. Hi. Hey. You wanna say hi to everybody? Say hi. Sagan's cute. She's just shy. See how it looks outside? Not bad, you know? It's looking pretty okay. Looking pretty okay indeed. If this thing does end up working pretty good now, this will be my new vlog lens because it's the right focal length without being too wide, and I can use it in full frame mode, which means that I don't have to then change the sensor type every time. Ooh, I see a little bit here. Every time I want to shoot in fisheye. I don't know if it was before. We'll see. It's a whole bunch of video probably out of focus. Well, I had it close enough to me. Maybe it was in focus. Trying to check it out. Oh, and because I'm so fucking bad at it, I will never remember. Because I'm so bad at it, I never remember like, comment, and subscribe to my videos.